Hello everyone, this is Mandeep Kaur, your EVS teacher. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study chapter 7, that is Children at Work. So, people need to work to earn money so that they can get the basic things that they need in their life, like food, clothes, shelter. For purchasing these things, for getting these basic things, they have to work so that to earn money. The work that people do to earn money is their job or occupation. Types of work. People have different kind of jobs. Some people work at home, in an office or on a farm or in a school, like postman, carpenter, school teacher, plumber, house helper, bus driver. All these are examples of different kinds of people who help us. Every job is equally important and we should respect all the jobs. Working at home. At home, family members work together and they help each other. Our parents go to work so that they can provide us the basic things. At home, they do the household work like our mother do. They buy things needed at home, they purchase from market, they help their children in their studies also, and they also take care of the family members when someone fall ill. Some families are big families while some are small families. Okay, but in big families, what happened? The grandparents also help in the household work. They look after the children. Sometimes they even pick and drop the children at the school bus stop. They also help the children in their studies. So some parents also employ a helper or a maid who does the household work and also takes care of the children as well. All members of a family must share the responsibilities of the household work. Children should also help their family with tasks at home. They should also help tidying up the bedroom, packing school bags, laying the table for the dinner, or helping in carrying the dishes from the table after the meals. They can also do simple tasks like watering the plants, keeping their clothes in their cupboard. Okay, so a family in which members they help each other, they stay with each other, they share the responsibilities, they work together, it is a happy family. Children at work. There are many people in our country who are poor, that is below poverty line, poor families. They do not have enough money for their daily needs and certainly not enough left to send their children to school also. In such families, the children too need to take up a job. They have to do some kind of work to earn money for their family. In some cases, children work in the morning and do odd job. You must have seen in dhabas, or some children they sell tea, deliver newspapers and milk to homes. Some clean people's car, ironing clothes. Some of them also attend school in the afternoon. In the morning they work and in the afternoon they attend the school also. There are others who work all day at tea stalls or dhabas as domestic help in houses. Some work in factories also that make clothes or firecrackers. In mines or at street hawkers selling things on the road to earn money. These children cannot go to school at all. When children they are employed to work for money, it is called a child labor. These children sometimes they work in a very unhealthy condition which are harmful for their health also. They have to work for long hours and they are not paid as much as an adult is paid for doing the same kind of work. Now, preventing child labor. Every child has the right to study and play. Child labor, it is a problem that is present in all over the world. In India also, it is illegal to employ a child below the age of 14 years. However, there are such children all over the country. So it is very important to find some ways so that we can stop this child labor. There are many organizations also like CRY, Child Rights and You, UNICEF, United Nations, International Children's Emergency Fund, and Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation that work towards putting an end to child labor and make the world child friendly. So that's all about this chapter. Bye bye. Meet you again.